Welcome to the fascinating world of horses. Scientific name Equus ferus caballus, are among the most majestic, powerful, and historically significant animals ever domesticated by humans. For thousands of years, they have played vital roles in agriculture, transportation, warfare, and sports. Horses are not only admired for their beauty and speed but also for their intelligence, loyalty, and capacity for companionship. This document explores the facts and life of horses, including their evolution, anatomy, behavior, diet, health, social structure, training, and their enduring relationship with humans, in over 1,500 words. Origins and evolution. The modern horse evolved over 50 million years ago from a small dog-sized creature known as Eohippus or Hyracotherium. Over time, this ancestor developed longer limbs and toes that eventually became hooves, adapting to the changing environment and expanding grasslands. The genus Equus, which includes modern horses, zebras, and donkeys, emerged around 4 to 4.5 million years ago in North America. Horses were first domesticated around 4000 BCE in the steppes of Central Asia, possibly in modern-day Ukraine or Kazakhstan. Initially, they were used for their meat and milk, but soon they became vital for transportation and warfare. The domestication of horses significantly shaped human history, enabling trade, migration, and conquest over vast territories. Anatomy and physical characteristics. Horses are large mammals known for their strength, speed, and endurance. Their anatomy is finely tuned for running and bearing loads, and they come in a variety of breeds, each adapted to different tasks and environments. Skeletal and muscular system. An adult horse has 205 bones. Their legs are long and powerful, with a unique arrangement of tendons and ligaments that allow for efficient energy storage and release during movement. Horses run on a single toe, the hoof, which provides strength and durability. Their muscular system is divided into smooth, cardiac, and skeletal muscles, enabling them to perform a wide range of physical activities. The back and hindquarters are especially powerful, providing propulsion during movement. Height and weight. Horse sizes vary widely by breed. Miniature horses, under 34 inches tall and weigh about 150 to 300 pounds. Light breeds, such as Arabians and thoroughbreds, stand 14 to 17 hands high, 56 to 68 inches, and weigh 900 to 1,200 pounds. Draft breeds, like Clydesdales and Percherons, can exceed 18 hands, 72 inches, and weigh over 2,000 pounds. Sensory perception. Horses have excellent senses. Vision, their eyes are among the largest of any land mammal. They have almost 350-degree vision due to their eye placement but have a blind spot directly in front of and behind them. Hearing, horses can rotate their ears 180 degrees to locate the direction of sounds. Their sensitive hearing helps detect predators or distant noises. Smell and touch, they use their sense of smell to recognize people, other horses, and environments. Their skin is highly sensitive, and they can detect even small flies landing on them. Behavior and social structure. Horses are social herd animals that thrive in the company of others. Their natural behaviors reflect their instincts as prey animals and their need for companionship and hierarchy. Communication. Horses communicate through vocalizations, including neighing, whinnying, snorting, and nickering. Body language, ear position, tail movement, and facial expressions convey mood and intent. Touch, grooming each other is a sign of social bonding. Herd dynamics. In the wild or in pastures, horses form stable social groups. A typical herd is led by a dominant mare, female, while a stallion protects the group and mates with the mares. Horses establish hierarchy through subtle behaviors and occasional physical contests, though aggression is usually minimal. Horses form strong bonds with other herd members and, in domestic settings, often bond with their human caretakers. Diet and nutrition. Horses are non-ruminant herbivores that require a high-fiber diet to maintain proper digestion and energy. Digestive system. Their digestive tract is over 100 feet long, and unlike ruminants, like cows, horses have a single-chambered stomach and rely on microbial fermentation in the cecum to break down fibrous plant material. Feeding needs. Forage. The bulk of a horse's diet should be hay or pasture grass. They typically consume 1.5 to 2.5% of their body weight in forage daily. Grain and concentrates, used to supplement energy, especially for performance horses. Water. Horses require 5 to 10 gallons of fresh water daily, more if they're working hard or it's hot. Salt and minerals. Salt licks and supplements help provide essential nutrients not always available in forage. Certain plants and foods like chocolate, onions, and moldy hay are toxic to horses and should be avoided. Health and lifespan. The average lifespan of a horse is 25 to 30 years, though some live into their 40s with proper care. Common health issues. Colic, a serious digestive disorder that can range from mild discomfort to life-threatening intestinal blockage. Laminitis, inflammation of the hoof tissue, often caused by diet imbalance or metabolic issues. Equine influenza and herpes virus, contagious respiratory illnesses. Parasites, internal parasites like worms can cause weight loss and poor health. Preventative care. Regular vet checkups. Vaccinations and deworming. Dental care, floating teeth. Hoof trimming and shoeing every 6 to 8 weeks. Maintaining a clean environment, balanced diet, and regular exercise are keys to a horse's health. Training and intelligence. Horses are highly intelligent animals capable of learning commands, recognizing patterns, and forming deep bonds with humans. Training methods. Training relies on understanding horse psychology. Key principles include positive reinforcement, rewarding good behavior. Pressure and release, applying gentle pressure, example with reins or leg, and releasing when the horse responds correctly. Desensitization, helping horses become accustomed to potentially scary stimuli. Disciplines and uses. Horses are trained for a wide range of purposes. Riding, Western and English styles include disciplines like dressage, jumping, reining, and trail riding. Work, draft horses pull wagons, plows, and logs. Therapy, equine-assisted therapy helps people with physical, emotional, or psychological challenges. Racing, thoroughbred and harness racing are multi-billion-dollar industries. Breeds and types of horses. There are over 300 recognized horse breeds, generally grouped by function. Light horses, agile, used for riding and racing, example Arabian, thoroughbred. Draft horses, large and strong, used for work, example Clydesdale, Shire. Ponies, under 14.2 hands high, known for their strength relative to size, example Shetland pony. Gait horses, known for smooth riding gaits, example Tennessee walking horse. Each breed has unique characteristics, and choosing a horse depends on the rider's purpose and experience level. Relationship with humans. The relationship between horses and humans is deep and multifaceted. From ancient warfare to modern recreation, horses have profoundly influenced human development. Historical importance. Warfare. Horses were used in chariot battles, cavalry, and mounted archery. Exploration and migration, enabled long-distance travel and the development of trade routes. Agriculture, provided labor for plowing fields and transporting goods. Modern roles. Today, horses are used in sport and competition, including equestrian events, rodeos, and show jumping. Recreational riding, for pleasure and adventure. Police and military work, mounted units are still used for crowd control and patrolling. Therapeutic programs, helping individuals with autism, PTSD, and mobility issues. Conservation and welfare. While domestic horses are not endangered, wild horses and neglected domestic populations face challenges. Wild horse populations. In North America, mustangs and burros roam free on public lands. Management efforts by the Bureau of Land Management, BLM, aim to balance population growth with ecological sustainability. Welfare concerns. Issues like overbreeding, abandonment, and abuse have led to increasing awareness of equine welfare. Rescues, sanctuaries, and responsible ownership practices are essential for ensuring the well-being of all horses. Conclusion. Horses are truly remarkable animals, symbols of freedom, strength, and grace. Their partnership with humans has shaped the course of history, and they continue to enrich our lives in numerous ways. By understanding their biology, behavior, and needs, we can foster a respectful and rewarding relationship with these noble animals. Whether galloping across open fields, competing in an arena, or simply standing quietly in a pasture, horses captivate the human spirit and remind us of the deep connections possible between species.